name is Shrikant. Okay. I'm typically called SP in students' timetables. So, yeah, okay, so congrats to all of you for getting into really good institutes. I don't really know what exactly I have to say. I'm very happy for all of you. I'm also happy that a lot of old students are coming here and all of them are together. So maybe I'll just say a couple of things in general. So I just want to point out that I think Gopal Krishn's dad was saying that everybody wants a secret formula for actually doing well in IITs and all these tests, and it's not, everybody wants it, it's not there. And I believe there is one actually, it's very simple. And I think when last year, if you had come here last year, or previous year, I don't remember, last year I think, Sumit had also pointed that out. Okay? And he did very well in IIT exam. So the essence is actually very simple. So you can either go two ways. You can say, I'll do a lot of hard work, I'll have a lot of focus, I'll have a lot of determination. So focus, hard work and determination is an external quantity in the sense that if you take as a person, what parents see is focus, they see determination, they see hard work. But essentially, the path to continually doing these good things is very simple. You just enjoy what you do. Okay? So if you are enjoying what you do, and your parents don't understand what you're doing, they really don't do hard work, but you're just having fun. Okay? So it's like that. And if you keep doing this, if you keep having fun all the time and you're solving problems, you'll be solving problems all the time. One simple corollary to that would be if you were woken up at any time and you're asked to solve, you still solve. Why? Because it's fun. So the essential idea is that you should compete. Competing is certainly a good thing. In the sense that it allows you to achieve harder goals. But I think essentially having fun is more important. Because let's say you are not having fun, you can't sustain what you're doing. Now let's say you are a competitive person and you work very hard. You went to IIT. And then IIT, there are super brilliant people, and some of those people really know what they do, okay? But you are a competing person, you will burn out there. I know people who are burned out with that, okay? So it's dangerous, the idea of extreme competition. However, make sure you enjoy, because if you enjoy, nobody can stop you. If you're good and you enjoy, over, right? Then as Kendrick's dad said, it's mission accomplished at life, not just a JEE exam. So definitely enjoy what you do. And even a simpler strategy is do what you enjoy. So if you really like something, do that. Okay. Now I really try to push people to live up pure science. I'm sure all parents know that, all my students know that. I always keep telling them, math is fun, physics is fun. For all your life up to 11th and 12th, you have learned math and physics. How is it that you guys get the brainwave to decide whether in 12th standard I want to do engineering? Okay. Because you're not doing engineering up to now, right? I mean, if I'm an electrical engineer, and if I say, if I tell you some topics of electrical engineering, you wouldn't be able to understand right now. Yet, how will you make that decision? Now, the essential point I'm trying to make here is, it's not that you have to do math or you have to do physics. You don't need to actually, I don't mind. The point is this, that if you enjoy something, you have to do it. And it's not just what I'm saying, you realize after 4 years, let's say you like math, okay? Even if you go to engineering, you will do that. That's what happened to me. I like math because Subramanian sir taught me, BMS taught me in 9th standard, 10th standard. It's almost similar to the stories which I heard here, 9th, 10th standard. If my parents were called me, I would have told you almost the same stories. They would have said this guy's very hardworking and everything. Nonsense, I was just enjoying and I still do it, right? So, I didn't do any hard work. So when people say hard work, I feel a little, inside, I feel a little wrong. People are praising me for something that I'm not. I didn't work hard a day in my life, okay? So all the time I enjoy. So when I came and taught I teach in a class also, I enjoy. So if I don't enjoy, I won't teach that course, okay? That's the way it is. So for example, I used to think coordinate geometry is boring, I never taught it. But then I thought, wow, I'm learning some advanced geometries. And last year or something I started teaching coordinate geometry. It's like that. So every time I learn some advanced technique and super fun, then I'm like, oh yeah, now let's use the students and let me learn more things, okay? So actually, students teach me a lot, and that's the essential reason why I keep coming back to CFAL. Because when I'm in IIC, my professor tells me in IIC department, it's like, what's wrong with you, man? Why don't you do top level research? Why are you going back and doing stupid school level stuff? For them, it's not really good. But they don't understand. What they don't understand is that the school level stuff is the catalyst for thinking. Okay? What we learn at CFAL when we solve a problem for say 2-3 hours, I think my first year students also would know. Yesterday's class, we solved only one problem for the whole morning. So the thing is that when you solve a hard problem for 4 hours, 3 hours or something, continuous focus, right? Of thinking about various ways of solving. Every way that didn't work teaches you way more than a way that actually worked. That's the whole point, okay? And actually the same story is with research. I mean, what is research after all? At the end of the day, what we do in IISc or any good institute is just a glorified way of solving an Olympiad problem. Let's put it that way. If you put all electronics engineering terms and communication engineering terms in my case, it will look like a complicated term. If you strip off all those words, it's just math. Okay? So at the end of the day, I'm just doing the same thing here or there. So even you guys can do that. So I have only one very important message in the whole thing. And it is this. This is very important. You guys have taken a decision now, and you would have taken it based on something that you know right now. But never ever think that this decision is over. Okay, a lot of people will tell you this, that once you take engineering, you can't do anything. You should forever do engineering. That's not true. Okay. So let's say 4 years you like engineering, you took engineering, you went, you don't like engineering, you can switch your branch. Now let's say you like engineering, you enjoy it, whichever subject you took, let's say computer science, mechanical, whichever you like. That seems to be fun. But you also like math, physics, some other pure science, that's also fun. Believe me, there is a way to make both of them work. Okay? You can be a good mechanical engineer who actually spends a lot of time doing math or physics that you like. Okay? It's possible because after all, engineering is like it's just an offshoot of sciences effectively. So you can always make it work. So never ever believe that your chances are done. So after these 4 years, along these 4 years, go for internship. Don't be passive even in engineering. When you go for engineering, there is this tendency, yes, I'm victorious, let me bask in the glory. But you see, you should not do that. You should go there and actually compete even harder when you go there. In the sense that you should actually start seeing what's fun in engineering and start doing that. In holidays, go for internship, mix with better people, make sure that you work on some interesting problems during your holidays that you get in engineering. By the end of 4 years, get a rough plan, explore all parts of your engineering branch, and try to make a calculated decision on what you want to do in the future. Okay? Now, ideally, if you go to colleges, they will say building up your resume. That's what I'm trying to say in a nice way. But you can, in principle, build your resume, go to a very good place, and continue to do what you enjoy. Okay? So at the end, my only message is this. Please make sure you enjoy what you're doing. At any point, if you are not, then you can make sure that there is some compromise in which you can enjoy. Don't need to worry about it. There's ample opportunities for that. Okay, thank you.